Hey guys, we're going to do the F Lydian scale in the C position now. And I'm going to break out an old friend of mine, the guitar pick. Now, some of you might be using it already and it's a great tool. Just found that with the scales, and especially up in this level 6, if you're doing it with the finger picking, it's not as accurate and I'm getting a lot of harmonics coming through, which I quite like for my bluesy stuff. But then with this, I want a nice crisp action and a clean sound. So let's crack into it. So for our C position, we're going to the F on the A string, and that's up on the 8th fret, starting with our little finger. Now our scale goes little finger, 1st, 3rd, and that's on the 5th and 7th. We drop back to the 4th, the 1st finger, 5th, 7th, okay, that's all on the G, down to the B, 5th, 6th, turnaround point, and on the 8th, back to the 4th, okay, put together, that's okay, and again. Notice where I'm moving my fingers back and forth there as needed. Now that will change for different arpeggios, but in general you want to be nicely placed on each string, okay? Go again. And again. Alright, now with the Lydian, we know we've got that sharp 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, this note. Alright, that's our nice feature note. So if you're soloing in this, you want to look at really hammering into that note. It's really cool. Now, let's have a look at our arpeggio. So remember with the Lydian, we're going to do a 1, 3, 4, 5, 7 and turn around. So on this, it's 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, down on the B. Okay. Alright, and if we turn that around, so arpeggio, great, hey? Now, something with this one that I think it really lends itself to is doing the descending scale. So if you actually start up on this high F, we're going to run back. Now our 7th is a natural 7th as a turnaround point. Alright, so running back just nice and slow. And again. Notice on the descend, I'm stretching out with my 3rd finger there rather than using my little finger. It's not essential, but I find it helps put you in the position, okay, for hitting those notes rather than going from here. It's nice and easy. Your fingers are already in the right spot. So, running back. Beautiful. Now, the descending arpeggio is really cool. And this is where we're going to start on that 7th and run back to the 3rd and then turn around. We're never even going to hit the root note here. So starting from the high F, you'll notice a jump there. You can flatten your finger and slide back, or you can, up to you, depends how fast you're playing it, but if we have that's quite a nice way to do it. It's very quick. It does have that ringing note though. So if you're going for those individual notes, it won't work too well. That's probably better for if you want to have each note very crisp and sharp. So find what's working for you, what you really want to play in. So in the descending run, we've got all right, have a play with that one, and we'll see you next time.